Hey guys, Gary Wagner here, 800 Biz Ninja Marketing and the Ninja Marketing Dojo. I had a question today from someone that was trying to invite people to an event on Facebook, and they were able to invite people, but the folks that were invited were not able to invite others to it. So thought I would do a quick video on number one, why that happened, and number two, a workaround for that just in case. One of the things that happens, and I see this all the time, something that worked with Facebook all of a sudden isn't working. And what's happening is there are a lot of, Facebook has glitches that happen from time to time. No explanation, nothing consistent, no message from Facebook that said, hey, we had a problem with. It just doesn't work. A certain feature doesn't work. And that happens with regularity. I see it all the time. So if you ever run into a situation that something that you're used to doing worked and now it's not working, give it a day or two, try it again, and see if it might resolve. Sometimes it never resolves. They're always tweaking and working with their algorithm and the formulas and the way things are working with the different components of Facebook. But a lot of times it is just a temporary, sometimes it's permanent, sometimes they have made changes. So just bear in mind that's what you get when you work with Facebook. But here is, in this particular instance, this is what we ran into. So it was relating to an event. And when you're invited to the event by the organizer, normally you get this event notification with all the details, and you see the invite here, which lets you invite people that you know to the event as well. When that happens, you should be able to just click that. It'll let you pick people, and I did that this morning. It worked fine. With others that they tried to invite, they weren't able to. There was either a share button and no invite, or they invited and people never saw it. So typically when you do an invite, the notification shows up here in the bell, the notification page, which is where most notifications happen, like right up here. That's typically where people see it. Well, if it's not there, who knows what happened with it. But let's look at a way to work around that if you do run into that particular situation. In this particular case, what you can do is you can go up here to the very top, grab the URL, copy that URL. Now, because we're in events, I don't have the chat messenger at the very bottom like I normally do. But what you do is you open Messenger. You say new message, and when that message box pops open, you choose who you want to send the message to, and you just right click. You go down here to type your message, right click, paste. It copies the URL and it should populate in, and you will see down here in the bottom. Now you should see that it populates probably on this screen. It's going to be a little hard to see because of the way it's cutting this off. Now you can begin to see it popping in here, and down below that there will be an option to click on to join. So that's how you do that from a desktop. Now the question arose how to do that from a phone. So in your phone, and I have an Android, so iPhones may be a little different, but let me show you how to do that on your phone. You click on More, and when you do that, it will pop down with some invite, save, copy link, and that's what you want to do. You want to use the copy link. When you click on that, it will then it will save the link. You go to your messenger, or you can go directly to the person you want to message. Either way, in this particular case, we would go to the person we're going to message. I go down to the write a message tab, and paste. And once I do that, it populates in just like it does above, and has the it has the link for people that can go yes, no, maybe type of thing. So very, very simple way to do that, and that's a great workaround if you're having trouble inviting directly from the invite link in the event. So hopefully that will help you. Hopefully that will be helpful for you as a workaround, because the events are such a powerful tool, and to be able to, the whole purpose is to be able to invite people and get them to the event. So you want to make sure, one of the things you do want to do is make sure in your event settings that you have selected the option to allow people to invite guests to the event. If you're not set that way, then it's not going to allow that. In this particular case, it was set, so again, it was a glitch that we were running into, but make sure you have that setting in there so that you can make it easy for people to invite others to your event. So hopefully that's helpful. Gary Wagnon, 800 Biz Ninja Marketing and the Ninja Marketing Dojo, and we will see you on the next video.